Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today we will study chapter 2 of English literature. And the name of our chapter is Marcella Meets Tragedy N. Children, this is a very beautiful story which is written by Johnny Gruel. So let's introduce ourselves with the characters that are there in the story. First character is Marcella. Second, Tragedy N. And third character that is there in the story is Grandma. So I'll introduce this story to you in brief. That once upon a time, there was a girl whose name was Marcella. She was a little girl like you all who loves, or you can say who likes to play with toys. One day, when she was at her grandma's house, she found a doll, rather you can say an old doll in in a box which was very old. So children, this whole story revolves around this doll only. So children, let's read out this story to understand it better. One day when Marcella was playing in the attic at grandma's house, she saw an old box in a corner. So children, what is the meaning of attic? A room or a space just below the roof of a house, and this place is often used for storing things. Clear? So what happened, children? One day when Marcella was playing in that area, in the attic, in that room, or you can say she saw an old box in the corner of that room. She ran towards the box. When she saw that box, she ran towards it. From the box, she pulled out a large bundle of clothes. Children, when Marcella opened that box, what did she found? She found a large bundle of clothes. It means many clothes were there in that box. So she pulled out, she took out that bundle of clothes. So what did she found? She found a funny little hat with long white ribbons and put it on. When she was taking out that bundle of clothes, Marcella found a hat, a funny hat. Why that hat was funny, children? Because it has long white ribbons were there on that particular hat. So when she found that hat, she immediately put that hat. It means she wore that hat. She also found an old rag doll with only one shoe button eye, a painted nose, and a smiling mouth. Children, not only she found a hat, but also she found a rag doll, a toy doll. Here rag doll means a soft doll which is made from the pieces of cloth. जो doll कपड़े की बनी हुई होती है. So that type of doll is known as rag doll. So in that box, along with the hat, she found a doll also. So now children, in these lines, the description of the doll is given to you. Clear? So what is the appearance of the doll? When she found that doll, so she saw that that doll has one shoe eye button. Shoe button eye means that the eye of the doll was like shoe button. You have seen the shoes in which we put the laces. So that the size of the doll eyes was that. You can see in this picture also. A painted nose. A nose was there which was only painted, and a smiling mouth. And the doll's mouth was appearing to be smiling. A smiley face the doll was having. Her dress was a soft blue material with pretty little flowers all over it. So her hair is referring to the doll. So the doll dress was made up of soft material which was blue in color. It means the girl was wearing a blue dress, and on that dress, very pretty, very beautiful little flowers were there all over it. You can see that the dress which the doll is wearing, small little flowers are there on her dress. Yes, till here the story is clear? Clear? Okay, let's proceed further. Marcella ran downstairs happily to show the rag doll to grandma. So after that, what did Marcella did? Marcella took that doll and ran downstairs to show in a happy mood to show that rag doll to her grandma. Where did you find it? Grandma cried, seeing that doll in Marcella's hand. Grandma asked Marcella, where did you find this doll, Marcella? तुम्हें ये doll कहाँ मिली? It is old Raggedy Ann. Now here the grandma is telling the name of the dog. That is Raggedy Ann. So children, but here it is in old Raggedy Ann. So children, remember, old is put by grandma only because by this old word we can guess that this doll is very old. It's a very old doll. Or you, in other words, you can guess like this only also that it was the doll when grandma was herself a child. So it is so old doll. She hugged the doll. Here she is for grandma. Seeing that doll, seeing the Raggedy Ann, grandma hugged the doll. What else she said? I had forgotten her. Now the grandma is saying that she didn't remember about this doll. I guess she has been in the attic for 50 years. So children, now you can see that grandma is herself describing that this doll is 50 years old. It means when grandma was a little girl, she used to play with her. So it is so much old. Dear old Raggedy Ann. Now the grandma is calling her as dear. It means she loves this doll very much. See what immediately what she did. I will sew another button on her right away. It means you can see in the picture also that this doll is having only one shoe button eye. Now the grandma is saying that just now only I will sew another button eye on her face. So Grandma went and got her needle and thread. Immediately, Grandma went and brought her needle and thread to sew the another shoe eye button on the doll's face. As Grandma sewed, she took Marcella she told Marcella how she had played with Raggedy Ann when she was a little girl. Now here, when she was showing the eye of the doll, Grandma is telling that when she was a little girl like Marcella, that at that time she used to play with this doll, and she loved to play with this doll. She was telling about the incidents about that she used to play, that how she used to play with this doll when she was a little girl like Marcella. Next, when she was telling all the incidents, so at the same time, Grandma laughed. Raggedy Ann, now you have two fine shoe button eyes. Now, here, in spite of one, after sewing, now this Raggedy Ann has two shoe button eyes now. You also have a new playmate now. Now you have another eye also. When you have a new eye, at the same time, now grandma is telling to the door, now you have a new playmate also. It means new friend also. Who is that friend, children? Marcella. Marcella is the new friend of Raggedy Ann. Grandma is telling to Raggedy Ann. I hope you both will have as much fun together as you and I used to have. Now, Grandma is telling to the Raggedy Ann that when she and Raggedy Ann used to play when she was a little girl, so they enjoy a lot at the time also. Now the grandma is expecting that now Marcella and this doll Raggedy Ann will also enjoy a lot as they used to enjoy when they play with each other. Who? Grandma and Raggedy Ann. Then Grandma gave Raggedy Ann to Marcella. What did Grandma did? After saying these words, she handed over Raggedy Ann to Marcella. Oh, Grandma, thank you so much, Marcella cried. So when the grandma gave that doll to Marcella, so in return, Marcella thanked her grandma for giving that lovely doll to her. Marcella cried as she gave grandma a hug. Immediately, Marcella gave a hug to her grandma. Raggedy Ann and I will have loads of fun. Here, loads means lot of fun. Now, she is assuring her grandma, who Marcella, that she and Raggedy Ann will enjoy a lot. They will love they will love each other's company. I hope children you all have understood this chapter well. So revise this video, revise this chapter again and again. Thank you.